Hey guys, Brendan from Great Escapes RV again. This time, it may not be a quick tip to save you a trip to the dealership, but at least you'll know if you need to go. What we're going to be talking about is a way to test your air conditioner. We're going to be testing what's called a delta split. A delta split is the difference between the temperature between your return and your discharge. We're going to be working on a Dometic air conditioner, but I'll kind of try to do a little layout as if we've been working on a Coleman. What you'll need to do this, guys, something as simple as a meat thermometer. I like to use a digital one because it gets really accurate. Meat thermometer may take a little while if it's analog and it won't be as accurate. This one's actually not a meat thermometer. It's a specialty tool that the RV industry uses. I won't be using this one. Battery's dead. Oh! But I got this doohickey here, which is going to do the same thing, just really accurately. Hooray! So first we'll go over our terms. This area here of your Dometic air conditioner is called your return. It's where air goes back in from the cabin area to go through your condenser, get cold, and then come out here of your discharge. Now this is a quick cool return section. Because this is closed, the air would be going out through our vents, but we want to get our readings as close to these as we can. I know some of you guys don't have this inside your unit, so these vents here will be your discharge, and you would be looking on the side area of the ceiling somewhere for a long rectangle vent, one on each side. That's going to be your return. If this were a Coleman unit, my discharges would be at each end, and on the side here, there would be the returns with the filters on it. That's the way to know really what your return is. Your return has the filter in it. That's going to filter all the air before it gets to your air conditioner. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get set up for temperature. You're going to let your air conditioner run for about 20 minutes. That's what the industry standard for air conditioner tests are. And I'm just going to do a temp reading at my return. In this case, I have 71 degrees. Next, I'll do a temp reading at my discharge. At my discharge, I'm only getting about 69 degrees, so that is a 2-degree delta split. That is not good. You want a 20-degree delta split. That's when your air conditioner is working properly. In higher temperatures, you may notice that'll go to about 18, 19 degrees. But anything lower than that, you probably need to make an appointment and go to your local RV dealership. If your delta split is 20 degrees, but it still feels hot in your trailer, you're going to be looking at other things like obstructions in the ductwork. Is it really hot? Am I out in the sun? Do I need to cover my windows? But at least this lets you know, is my air conditioner functioning properly? At that point, your local RV dealership or a service repair call guy can come out, test your air conditioner, and determine if you do need a new one or if you need a new capacitor. There's a lot of different diagnostic tests that they can do, but this is the first one. And if you've already done it, then you already know, yes, I need an air conditioner, or no, I don't. Alright guys, I hope that was helpful. This has been Brandon with another quick tip for the dealership.